Well, in my community, we don't have a lot of natural gas anywhere, so propane is really a lot of people's means of heat, cooking, hot water. There's all sorts of different ways that propane can benefit a community.
It's a pretty good feeling to know that you're there and they wouldn't have heat without you. You know, they wouldn't be able to have that home and be successful in their life without the bare necessities of the heat.
I'd say if people are looking for a career and they're hands-on, this is a great field to get into, and you can grow.
I go out and diagnose equipment when we get no heat calls, no hot water, things like that. I really enjoy, as a technician, being able to go out and get people taken care of who have been out of heat or have been out of hot water.
Be able to actually help somebody, make sure that they're safe every day, make sure that their equipment is running right.
Makes me feel accomplished. I feel like I go out and I look at something and then I can picture what the project's going to be like. I get it done. By the end of the day, you can step back and look at it and you really say, wow, I did this and it looks great.
It's awesome because I have knowledge in this, and not a lot of people do. Not a lot of people know much about propane.
The most interesting part about my job has to be the hands-on factor, working with mechanical machinery.
It teaches me a variety of different skills, whether it's minor carpentry, electric work, plumbing, doing the heating aspect of it. So you really get a lot of different things going on.
Specifically here we have C-tip certifications for handling propane. I would say that's the baseline, but I didn't have that when I started working here. They put me through that training here through the company, so it was a good opportunity to get exposure to that.
The team I work with, they're great people. It's really nice to be able to show up and have a nice positive attitude. They're there all the time to support you and allow you to move up the ladder, become more successful at your job. They set you up to be the best at what you do.
It's an industry that you can grow in, as far as you want, as big as you want, who you want to be in this field, and if you want to do it, you can.